Back to all the better days.
That is so beautiful.
I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday.
I'm on
She
top of
was
the
so
world!
beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away.
What's up guys, Raven here. Welcome back to another Jeep Wrangler Mavic mini adventure. Today we're heading to the City of the Rocks area to set up camp, do some exploring, and get some drone shots. I did some research online and this place is supposed to be really beautiful. Never been there before, and I'm really excited.
Them long tan legs got me falling. And I know we just met. Yeah. But I heard that love at first sight ain't a myth. Oh no. Yeah.
I'm just a few miles out from the City of the Rocks, but right now I'm gonna head up into the mountains, set up base camp, and do a little bit of exploring. Then tomorrow, I'm gonna grab my drone and see if I can get some amazing video.
I wanna be with you until we're fucking 80. I wanna watch the sunset with you daily. Keep my baby safe as we live, always chasing. Hearts racing when I'm with you, I'm just saying back to all the better days.
Okay, I got my camp all set up. Let me take you on a quick tour. So over here is my fire ring. Got my beautiful Jeep Wranglers and my kitchen set up over here. Let's move on down the line, and here's my tent. Check it out. Nice and cozy in there. This is just awesome. Come on, Rudy. Let's go do some exploring. It is the next morning. I am really excited to get some drone shots. It looks great right now. Let's go ahead and take off. There she goes. All right, let's try and do some low flying, cool shots. I want to fly right over these flowers. This is going to be really nice. It's so cool. Look at that. Wow. That is so beautiful. So those little weird glitch things is the wind blowing on the gimbal really hard. Look at that, it's literally blowing us in one direction. Oh my gosh. I'm flying directly against the wind. It's not standing up to it, is it? Come on, baby. Here we go. Let's get nice and low. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back on in. I feel like I got some pretty good shots. Let's bring it in. Where is this drone taking me? What the heck's going on? I might lose my drone right now. This is a fiasco. Stop returning to home, dude. I don't even know where my drone is right now. It keeps on getting blown in the wrong direction. Look at that. This is really messed up. Let's go straight this way. I hope my drone's just over this hill. I think I can get the GPS coordinates off of my controller. 4-2. Got it. Nice! Alright, let's go. Maybe this direction. Alright, so I just put in the GPS coordinates off my controller onto my iPhone. It says my drone is right over here. God dang, I would have never found it. There it is, dude! There's my drone! Perfectly fine. Wow. Finally got it, man. Woo! Alright, let's head back to camp. Man, that was an adventure. So here's what happened. So I took off my drone and I was flying it low over there on those hills, trying to get some cool shots of those flowers. And then so what happened was I lost video feed. So the software on the drone automatically did this thing called return to home. And what that is it flies up to a certain altitude and flies back to its original takeoff spot. Well, what happened was I had the setting set to 500 feet high. So what was happening was the drone would fly up and the wind was going so hard that it would fly up and it would fly the drone backwards. So eventually this drone ended up going 2 miles in that direction. So I had to hike all the way over there using my iPhone to find the drone. And I'm so lucky I still have this thing, man. That was crazy. But so right now, I'm gonna go ahead and load up the Jeep. We're gonna head to the City of the Rocks. Okay guys, we are in Castle Rock State Park. This place is crazy, man. Look at that giant rock up there. Look, you guys, there's a rock climber climbing up them. Everybody, we have made it to the City of the Rocks, rock climber heaven. It's a bit windy right now, so I can't get the drone up, but I think I can get some pretty good shots from the Jeep. The City of the Rocks was a landmark for early settlers heading to California back in the 1840s, and is now visited by over 80,000 recreationists and rock climbers every year. Now I'm driving the Jeep up the mountain behind the City of the Rocks. Wow. Woo! I'm on top of the world! Yeah! There it is, you guys. That is the mountain that I drove up. Look at that. That is crazy cool. Well, that about wraps up that adventure. I had a whole lot of fun. I almost lost my drone and went on a great hike to go find it. Also, we went to the City of the Rocks, checked out those cool rock formations, and I went on a 4x4 Jeep adventure to the top of the world. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember guys, be smart out there.